Hi children, in this section 3.4 decimal place value, we will discuss the introduction of the decimals. So we divide the units 0 to 1 in by 2 units. Each unit will be 1 by 10, and again this 1 by 10 is divided into 10, that is divided into 10 units. So we got each unit is 1 by 100. Can we not split a unit into 4 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 8 equal parts, or any other number of equal parts instead? Yes, we can do that. Here we have divided the units from 2 to 3 by 10 units. But we can also divide these units into 4 units, 4 equal units. Then each unit will be 1 by 4, and here will be 1 by 4 length and 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So there are 4 1 by 4 units. So this one will be 1 by 4, and this is 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, etc. This one is 4 by 4, that will become 1 unit. So it will add to 2 and it will become 3. Also again we can divide this smaller unit into another 4 units. Each unit will be 1 by 4 by 4, that will become 1 by 16. So each unit will be 1 by 16 of length, and this one will be 1 by 16, and this 2 by 16, 3 by 16. Then why split a unit into 10 parts every time? Because in Indian place value system, we use number 10 to 81. 1 is in the ones place, 8 is tens place, and 2 is hundreds place. So 10 ones makes 110, and 10 tens makes 100, and 10 hundreds make 1000. We can see that 10 is 10 times multiplied by 1. That is 10 is 10 times by 1, and 100 is 10 times multiplied by 10, and the 1000 is 10 times multiplied by 100, and 10,000 is 10 times multiplied by thousands. 10,000 is divided by 10, we got 1000, and again divided by 10 we got 100, divided by 10 we got 10, and divided by 10 we got 1. So can we divide 1 again by 10? Yes. When we divide 1 by 10, we got 1/10, and again 1/10 is divided by 10, we get 1/100, and so on. So in general we can see that the unit 1 to 0 to 1 is divided into 10 equal parts, then we get tens, and then again each tens is divided by 10 equal parts, we got hundreds, and again the hundreds can be divided by 10 units, so we got thousands. If we divide tens, then we got each decimal parts. 10 thousands multiplied by 10, we get 1000s, and multiplied by 10 we get hundreds, and multiplied by 10 we got tens, and multiplied by 10 we got 1. When we multiply by 10, the zeros can be cancelled and we got 1000. Again, if 1000 multiplied by 10 we got, the zeros can be cancelled here. So we got hundreds. So here is a question, how many thousands make one unit? That is, thousands means 1 by 1000, and we have to multiply a number so that we got 1. That is 1 unit. The number which can be multiplied by thousands by 1000, we get 1. So the answer is 1000. Next one is, how many thousands make 1 tens? So thousands are multiplied by a number, we get 1 tens. That is, there are 1 0 and here is 3 zeros. The difference is 2 zeros. So we can multiply it by 2 zeros. Then the 2 zeros will be cancelled. So remaining 1 zero is will be there. So we got 1 tens. So we have to multiply it by 100. Next question, how many thousands make 100? That is, we have to multiply the thousands by a number so that we got 100s. Here the 3 zeros and here only 2 zeros. So we can multiply it by 10 so that 1 zeros can be cancelled and we get 100s. So we have to multiply thousands by 10. Next, how many tens make 1 ten? That is, tens means 1 by 10 and multiplied by a number we get 110. So when we multiply it by 100, it will cancel 1 zeros and we got 10 by 1, that is 10. So 100. And how many hundreds make 110? How many hundreds? So hundreds multiplied by a number, we got 10. Here is 1 0 is there in denominator numerator, and here the denominator have 2 zeros. So we have to multiply it by 3 zeros. 30 digit, that is 1000. So we got, the 2 zeros can be cancelled and the remaining 1 zero will be there. So it will make 110. 456 is 4 hundreds plus 50 plus 6. So instead of writing 4 hundreds and 5 tens and 6 ones, we write it as 456. Similar way, we can write each decimal parts by using the point or period as a separator called decimal point. In the similar way, to identify the place value where integers end and the fractional part starts, we use a point or period as a separator called decimal point. 7 tenths and 5 tenths, that means 7 tenths, 7 into 10, and ones are not there, so 1 into 0. And 5 tenths, 5 tenths means 5, 1 by tenths, that is 5 tenths. So 70 is the integers and the 5 by 10 is the fractional part. That is, when we dividing 5 by 10, it will become 0.5. So 70 plus zero point 0.5 is 70.5. 5 is the decimal part. 7 units and 5 hundreds can be written as 5 units. Sorry, 7 units and 5 hundreds can be written as 7 units and 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds means 5 by 100. So 5 by 100 is 0.05. That is, we adding two zeros in front of 5 and we put decimal part after one zeros. So we got 0.05. 7 plus zero point zero 0.05, we got 7.05. 705, and here the hundreds are 7 and tens are 0 and units are 5, that is 1, and tens not there and hundreds not there. In 70.5 there are no hundreds, it is only 70, that is 70. 70 means tens. So hundreds are 0, tens are 7 and ones are 0, and the decimal part we can see that only one decimal part here. 5 tens are there. Here the decimal part is 2, so tens are 0. So 0 multiplied by 1 by 10, that is 0 tens, and 5 multiplied by hundreds, we got 5 by 100. Writing a number 826.532, tens are 5 and hundreds are 3 and thousands are 2, and here ones are 6, tens are 2 and hundreds are 8. 705 is read as 705 and 70.5 is read as 70.5. Short form for 70 and 5 tenths. Here we can see that 7 and 5 hundredths, so it can be read as 7.05. It is the short form of 7 and 5 hundredths. Make the place value similar to one above. Write each quantity in decimal form and in terms of place value and read the number. Here we got two ones, so 2 unit is there, and 3 tenths, that is 3 tenths and 5 hundredths. So we can write it as 2 tens place 3 and hundreds place 5. So the number is 2.35. Next we have 110. 110 means 1 into 10 and 5 tenths. That means 5 into 1 by 10. So it can be written as 10 point. The first tens is 5. So there are 5 tens point 5 is there. So 10.5. Next is 4 ones. 4 ones means 4 units plus 600. 6 times hundreds, that is this integer part is 4 and the decimal part tens are 0, no tens are there, and hundreds are 6, so we can write 4.06. Next one is 100, so 100 plus 1, that is 1 times 1, and 1 hundredths, that is 1 by 100, that is equal to 100 means 100 plus 1 means 1 plus 100 means 1 by 100. So it can be written as 101 point. Tens are not there, so we can put 0 and the hundreds place is 1. So we got 101.01. Next we have 800s. So 800s can be written as 8 hundreds plus 9 tenths. So 9 tenths. We can write it in the order, so it will become 9 tenths and 8 hundreds and 0 ones plus there is no value unit value, so we can write 0 into 1, so it will become 0. Tens place 9 and hundreds place 8, so the answer is 0.98. Next number is 500s. So there is no ones. We can write 1 into 0 plus tens are not there, so 1 by 10 into 0 and hundreds are there, 5 into 100s. So we get the answer 0.05. 0 times 1 plus 1 tenths, so it will become 0.1. Next question, we can write the tenths first. So 4 tenths and hundreds are the 2 hundreds and 7 times 7 thousands. 4 times tens plus 2 times hundreds plus 7 times 7 means 49 thousands. Next we have to convert this 49 thousands so that we can write 49 as 40 plus 9. So 40 by thousands plus 9 by thousands, and this 40 by thousands can be written as 4 by 100, 4 tens and 2 hundreds and also 400. So we can write 4 tens plus 6 hundreds plus 9 thousands. That means 4 tenths means point 0.4 and 106 and thousands 9. So the answer is 0.469. 4 tenths can be written as 0.4 and 2 hundreds can be written as 0.02 and 49 thousands can be written as 0.049. And now adding these three numbers we get 0.049 plus 0.02 plus 0.4, that is 0.469, the same answer. In the chapter on large numbers, we learned how to write 23 hundreds. 23 hundreds means 20 plus 3 hundreds. We multiply it by 20 into 100 and the 3 into 100. So it will become 2300. Next we have 23 tens. That means 23 can be written as 20 plus 3 and we multiplying by 10 we get 20 into 10 200 and 3 into 10 to 30, that is equal to 230. 234 tens. We use the above mentioned property that 234 can be split as 200 plus 30 plus 4 and divided by 10. Adding separately 200 by 10 plus 30 by 10 plus 4 by 10, we get 20 plus 3 plus point 0.4. So the answer is 23.4.